Hello students, today we discuss how to solve the numericals of vernier caliper and screw gauge. The main formulas used for solving the numericals of vernier caliper are pitch is equal to value of one main scale division. Least count is equal to pitch upon number of vernier scale divisions. Observed reading is equal to main scale reading plus vernier scale division coinciding into least count. Then correct reading is equal to observed reading minus 0 error. So these are the formulas which are used for solving the numericals of vernier caliper. Now we will see some numericals. So see the question. The main scale of vernier caliper has 10 divisions in a centimeter and 10 vernier scale divisions coincide with the 9 main scale division. Calculate pitch and least count of vernier caliper. So as I told you, pitch is the value of one main scale division. Pitch is the value of one main scale division. So it is given that there are 10 main scale divisions in 1 centimeter. So the main scale of vernier caliper has 10 division in a centimeter and 10 vernier scale division coincide with the 9 main scale division. Calculate the pitch and least count of vernier caliper. So value of as I said you, pitch is equal to value of one main scale division. The value of so it is given that there are 10 main scale division. 10 main scale division. Value of 10 main scale division is equal to 1 centimeter. Value of 10 main scale division. Value of 10 main scale division is equal to how much? 1 centimeter. In question it is given that in 1 centimeter there are 10 main scale divisions. Therefore value of 1 main scale division. How to find the value of 1 main scale division? That is equal to 1 divided by 10 centimeter. 1 divided by 10 is equal to 0.1 centimeter. So pitch is equal to value of 1 main scale division which is equal to 0.1 centimeter. Now we will do in second part, least count. So we will write the formula of least count. The least count is equal to pitch upon number of vernier scale divisions. Number of vernier scale division. You must know the formula. If you know the formula, you just substitute the values in the formula. You will be able to get the answer. So this is a formula to find least count. Least count is equal to pitch upon number of divisions on vernier scale. So that is equal to 0.1 centimeter upon, question is given that there are 10 vernier scale divisions. 0.1 upon 10 centimeter which is equal to 0.01 centimeter. The formula to find least count is pitch upon number of divisions on vernier scale. We just substitute the values in the formula. Then we get the figure shows the position of vernier scale while measuring the external length of wooden cylinder. What is the length recorded by main scale? Second part, which reading of vernier scale coincide with the main scale? Third part, calculate the length. The first part, what is the length recorded by main scale? Length recorded by main scale means 0 of the vernier scale division comes near a main scale division. 0 of the vernier scale division comes near a main scale division. So it is first division of the vernier scale is called 0 of the vernier scale. Sometimes it may not be coinciding exactly with the main scale division. Sometimes 0 of the vernier scale division comes in between two main scale division. In that case, we take the left hand side reading. So in this diagram, you can see that 0 of the vernier scale comes between 10.2 and 10.3. But we take the left side reading. So main scale reading is equal to 10.2 centimeter. Now second one, which reading of vernier scale coincide with the main scale? Which reading of vernier scale coincide with the main scale? You see the diagram carefully. First division of the vernier scale is 0 of the vernier scale. 0 of the vernier scale is not coinciding with the main scale division. Then the first division is not coinciding. You see the diagram very carefully. First division is not coinciding. Second division is not coinciding. Third is not coinciding. So go through it. But you can see that 7th vernier scale division. 7th vernier scale division coincide with the main scale division. Coinciding means coming on the same line. That is the meaning of coinciding. The vernier scale division coinciding is 7. Vernier scale division coinciding, that is equal to 7. Now third part, we have to find the observed length. So I have already told you the formula to find observed reading, that is equal to main scale reading plus vernier scale division coinciding into least count. So least count is which upon total number of vernier scale divisions, as I said in the last question. So pitch means it is the value of one main scale division. Value of one main scale division. So that is equal to 0.1 centimeter. That is the value of one main scale division. And in diagram you can see total number of vernier scale division is 10. 0.1 upon 10 is equal to 0.01 centimeter. This is the least count. Now we have to calculate the observed length. Observed length, that is main scale reading plus vernier scale division coinciding into least count. So main scale reading is 10.2 centimeter. Vernier scale division coinciding is 7. And least count is 0.01 centimeter. So that is equal to 10.2 centimeter plus 0.07 centimeter. That is equal to 10.27 centimeter. This is the solution of this question. See the question. A vernier scale has 10 divisions. It slides over a main scale whose pitch is 1 millimeter. The number of divisions on the left hand of 0 of the vernier scale on the main scale is 56. and the 8th vernier scale division coincide with the main scale. Calculate the length in centimeter. If the above instrument has a negative error of 0.07 centimeter, calculate corrected length. So in question given, pitch is equal to means a value of 1 main scale division, which is equal to 1 millimeter, which means value of 1 main scale division, that is equal to 1 millimeter. Then we have to find the number of divisions on vernier scale. Number of division on vernier scale is given as 10. The least count is equal to pitch upon, you may be remembering the formula to find least count, pitch upon number of divisions on vernier scale. Number of divisions on vernier scale, that is equal to 1 millimeter divided by 10 equal to 0.1 millimeter. Then if the number of divisions on the left hand of 0 of the vernier scale on the main scale is 56, means main scale reading is equal to 56 millimeter. There are 56 main scale divisions. That means 56 millimeter is the main scale reading. 56 millimeter main scale reading is equal to 56 millimeter. Then, so this is the and now we have to see vernier scale division coinciding. Vernier scale division coinciding is given as, and the 8th vernier scale division coincide with the main scale. So vernier scale division coinciding is equal to 8. Now we have to find the observed reading. Observed reading, what is the formula? Main scale reading plus vernier scale division coinciding into least count. So main scale reading is 56 millimeter and vernier scale division coinciding is 8 and least count is 0.1 millimeter. So 56 millimeter plus 0.8 millimeter, which is equal to 56.8 millimeter. And if you have to convert millimeter to centimeter, we have to divide it by 10. So which is equal to 5.68 centimeter. This is the observed length. Observed length is 5.68 centimeter. Okay. So you must remember the formula. Just using the formula, you will be able to find the answer. Now it's B part. B part. If the instrument has a negative error of 0.0 centimeter, calculate the corrected length. Corrected reading. Correct reading is equal to observed reading minus 0 error. When there is negative error, then minus plus we have to do. So corrected reading is equal to observed reading minus 0 error. That means 5.68 minus 0.07. Observed reading minus 0 error. So that is equal to, since there is negative error, we have to add it. 5.68 centimeter plus 0.07 centimeter, which is equal to 5.68 plus 0.07, that is equal to 5.75 centimeter. This is the corrected length. Now we take the case of screw gauge. The main formulas which are used for solving the numericals of screw gauge are, which is equal to distance moved by thimble on main scale upon number of rotations of thimble. Least count is equal to pitch upon number of circular scale divisions. observed reading is equal to main scale reading plus circular scale division coinciding into least count. And correct reading, observed reading plus or minus zero error. So in the case of positive zero error, we subtract zero error from the observed reading, and in the case of negative error, we add zero error to the observed reading. So these are the formulas which are used. Now we will go through some numericals. Figure shows a screw gauge in which thimble has 100 divisions. Calculate the least count and diameter of wire. See the diagram. First part, least count formula. Pitch upon number of divisions on circular scale. Pitch divided by number of divisions on circular scale. So pitch means that is the value of one main scale. The value of one main scale division, that is the pitch, that is equal to 1 millimeter upon the total number of divisions on this circular scale is 100. 1 upon 100. So thimble is another name of circular scale. It is given that there are 100 divisions on thimble. Means thimble another name of circular scale. That is equal to 100. 1 upon 100 is equal to 0.01 millimeter or 0.001 centimeter. This is the least count. Now second part, we have to find diameter of wire. Observed reading. Observed reading is equal to main scale reading plus circular scale division coinciding into least count. So main scale reading. So main scale reading means how many divisions you can see in the how many main scale division you can see in the figure. So in the figure, how many main scale division you can see? You can see how many division can be seen? 5 divisions can be seen. Means main scale reading is 5 millimeter. Then circular scale division coinciding with the baseline. After 30 you start counting. So circular scale reading coinciding with the baseline is 34. 34. After 30 you start counting. You can see 34th division is coinciding. 34th circular scale division is coinciding. 34 into 0.01 millimeter. So 5 millimeter plus 0.34 millimeter. So which is equal to 5.34 millimeter or 0.534 centimeter. This is the diameter of wire. A micrometer screw gauge having a positive zero error of 5 division is used to measure diameter of wire when reading on main scale is 3rd division and 48 circular scale division coincide with the baseline. If the micrometer has 10 divisions to a centimeter on main scale and 100 divisions on circular scale, calculate pitch of screw, least count of screw, observed diameter and corrected diameter. So first part, pitch. The pitch means that is the value of one main scale division. So in question it is given that in 1 centimeter there are 10 main scale division. In 1 centimeter there are 10 main scale division. So pitch is a value of a main scale division. So that value of a main scale division. So what will come? In 1 centimeter there are 10 main scale division. So pitch will come 1 centimeter upon 10 equal to 0.1 centimeter. So there are 10 main scale division in 1 centimeter. So value of 1 main scale division is 1 centimeter upon 10 is equal to 0.1 centimeter. Second part, we have to find the least count. Least count equal to pitch upon number of divisions on circular scale. The pitch is 0.1 centimeter. Number of divisions on circular scale is 100. There are 100 divisions. 0.1 upon 100 is equal to 0.001 centimeter. 0.001 centimeter is the least count. Least count of the screw. Now third part. So see the question. While taking the reading, main scale is on reading on main scale is third division. So main scale reading is main scale division coinciding into pitch. So main scale reading third division is coinciding 3 into pitch, 3 into 0.1 centimeter, 0.3 centimeter. Then circular scale division coinciding. Which circular scale division is coinciding? 14 circular scale division is coinciding. What is observed diameter? So observed diameter means main scale reading plus observed reading. Main scale reading plus circular scale division coinciding into least count. That is 0.3 centimeter plus circular scale division coinciding is 48. 48 into least count 0.001 centimeter. So that is equal to 0.3 centimeter plus 0.048 centimeter is equal to 0.348 centimeter. This is the observed diameter. Observed diameter is equal to 0.348 centimeter. Now it's a fourth part. Corrected diameter. Corrected diameter. Here there is a positive zero error. We have to find how much is the positive zero error. So positive zero error is the micrometer screw gauge having positive zero of 5 division. 5 division. That is zero error. We find it like this. The division coinciding into least count. The division coinciding into least count. So that is 0.001 centimeter, which is equal to 0.005 centimeter. So this is the zero error. Now we have to find the corrected diameter. Correct reading is equal to observed reading minus, when there is positive zero error, we will be subtracting. Observed reading minus zero error. Observed reading is 0.348 minus 0.005 centimeter, which is equal to 0.343 centimeter. So this is the answer. Next class we will discuss a new topic.